Today we're looking at the KWA variable EVE-9. Obviously from the name, the coolest thing is the variable system, and that allows you to change your FPS output. Inside is KWA's VM4 version 2.5 gearbox. The entire thing is made of polymer, but it doesn't feel like cheap plastic. This thing feels really good, actually. One thing that I really appreciate about it is that it has a side charger, which just makes sense to me when you're running your hand up here. There's a flash hider here on your muzzle. This comes with flip-up iron sights that are, of course, also polymer. There's a vertical grip, and the handguard is M-LOK compatible. Controls are ambidextrous, meaning I can remove the magazine with my trigger finger, or if I shoot with the wrong hand, I can do it with my trigger finger over here on the left. This is drop-in trigger ready and easily accepts your favorite MOSFET, although it is not compatible with the Gate Astra. Now this is KWA's Core 9 handguard. Activate the lever here in the back and you can slide the stock to your preference. Now that adjustable muzzle velocity can range between 330 and 380 feet per second with 2 OBBs. The magazine has a grid system here for numbering your magazines, and it's a 120 round mid-cap magazine. The whole gun is 27 inches in length and weighs 5 pounds.